Hey, what's going on, guys? We're going up to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find.
Did she say what it was that fell down?
Something fell inside there. She didn't say what it was. I don't know if you hear all that stuff.
Well, there's part of it.
Because she had to call some of this kind of thing maybe.
It's like maybe.
Break off or something, yeah?
No, I think there was, like, it looks like some sort of lid for a cream.
Oh, because she had that all year. That's why
This was all full, eh?
Yeah.
That should be to the stack now. That's 6 feet.
Yeah, but even though you go to the stack, it will just go down.
That's the hope. Unless we plug up the main line.
Because it's that brand new toilet, they put renovation in. It's only this month you do.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
So many people put these shelves.
That's the problem, and things fall with the kids,
Oh yeah.
and they don't know when they get flat.
Okay. I'm gonna take a leak, alright?
No, no worries.
Thanks. Alright guys, so there you go. We found a bottle. Well, we pulled out the bottle cap, but the bottle was in there and it must have got pushed down into the main line. Hopefully nothing backs up main line wise and everything's good to go. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.